DJ Gutter Mixtapes.
Tell me to go all in, so fuck it, I'm gonna go all in. And this is just a mixtape. Ahem.
DJ
I
Gutter
smoke
Mixtapes.
reefer and dip scissor. Have y'all niggas shivering like in the wind blew in the winter. I am the best nigga you ever heard. I'm cocky too. I'm 21. I'ma be the best before 22. You know your niggas want it. Know you motherfuckers like it. I have your bitch flipping on my bed more than my sidekick. I tell you just like I get that These niggas trying at me. Y'all niggas fiending me. You said this nigga is the flow of Renzo difference of these other niggas talking all that fucking bullshit. This nigga come kill it. This nigga be the realest. Never lie on tracks, nigga, cause I am the illest. And I make a Jay-Z records, y'all niggas loco. Matter of fact, the local said y'all niggas just so homo. Y'all niggas just need it. Y'all niggas straight fiending because I changed the game like it's really fucking needed. These niggas on some tight jeans and no balls. Nigga, I'm on baggy jeans and my balls fall
DJ
because I got the
Mixtapes.
balls. And yeah, I'm really hard. You think I'm playing when I say nigga, I'm really hard. Man, I don't switch around, I don't flip the flow. I've been a loyal nigga, ask all of my niggas, yo. I will never change, no, I will be the same, so. And I will laugh while you screaming, cause this is no feeling.